Good morning, guys. Today's video is going to be about my flooring and all the wonderful things that are happening with it right now. So I'm hoping that this video will help anyone out there that may come across the same scenario, and hopefully the outcome will be a successful one that will not put me in bankruptcy again. So if you want to see what's going on with my floors, then keep on watching. Okay, so it's probably not easy to see, but as we're coming out of the hallway towards the living room and kitchen, right in front of me, you can almost tell that there's some lifting of the tiles right along that diagonal line right there. Let's see if I can show you better. Let's see. Here we go. Right here, there's definite lifting. Okay, and you can see the tails have completely separated. And that section there, it lifts all through across here, separated there. So today my daughter and I get to lift up some of these tiles to see what is going on underneath. Yay. Alright guys, so the kids are finally gone and I am working on removing grout. It's coming out in chunks, so that we can lift a tile and see what is going on underneath. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can prop this up. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I have a couple of tools here, this guy and a smaller version, and then I have a chisel and a hammer. We have a ton of extra tile in the garage. We have a ton of extra tile in the garage, so if the tile breaks, I don't care. Okay, so the camera's swinging a little bit right now. I have it hanging on a hook, so I apologize. Hopefully that will stop it. But now I can continue without making the camera crazy. Okay, so that whole side is unglued. Let's see how much of this comes off just by scraping it. The tile's already loose on that side. Okay, you have to take the hammer to that side. So, right now the tile is loose on three sides. You can see it coming right up. It's not adhered to the ground whatsoever. Finish carving this side of the grout. I'm trying to let the tile intact because I just am. My OCD tells me I can't. Okay. Let's see here. What do we have underneath?
Basically, that's to clean this place up, get it fundamentally sound, put a new roof on it, but you're going to have to live with some of the bits and pieces. Like this cabinet, this is your cabinet.
Okay. But final verdict, we have terrazzo floors under here. So,
So from that perspective, it really serves.
Why did it crack?
Okay, Chip, what are you thinking?
Why did the tiles lift up? All of the thin set is stuck to the tile, so it wasn't an improper application because it means that the thin set adhered to the tile, but there's hardly any thin set on the ground, which tells me that it didn't properly adhere to the terrazzo.
We really just fell in love with
So,
the pocket of paradise. We just feel like now it's a matter of the numbers, which is going to work within our budget so that they
I'm just taking a couple of pictures to send to the flooring place I called. I told them I was going to email them the photos so they can try to help me figure out what happened. I'm going to take up a couple of more tiles to see if there's any kind of crack underneath in the terrazzo or what. I'm also going to look into how much it would cost to restore this terrazzo because holy cow, I love terrazzo floors. And hopefully this is a blessing in disguise. If the terrazzo is in good condition, we can just have it restored. But I love terrazzo floors. It so fits the age of the home. Okay, so let me keep pulling up and I will get back to you and let you know what I find. Alright, sounds loose. I'm not seeing any evidence of cracking or anything like that in the terrazzo. I don't think it's sticking very well to the thin set didn't stick very well to the terrazzo, that's for sure. So, let me sweep this up. I'm just going to sweep this up and I'm just going to sweep this up a little bit, take some pictures, send them over to the floor place and see what they say about this. Okay. So there is the big giant terrazzo gaping hole in my floor. Yeah. And as you can see, the thin set has stuck to the tiles well. It's just not sticking to the terrazzo. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Okay, this is what I have completed so far. I only have 4 more tiles to remove, I think. Yeah, this one, that one right there, that one against the wall, and then those 2 right there. This whole 2-row section was tinted, so along the middle seam. But the terrazzos underneath look beautiful. As you can tell, the thin set barely stuck to it at all, which means that the terrazzo was not properly sanded down or it wasn't properly cleaned after it was sanded down, in order for the thin set to stick to it. So I've already sent pictures over to the flooring place to see what their call is, what their opinion is, and we'll make a decision from there. I'm kind of really loving these terrazzos. I wish it was affordable to restore them, because it would be worth pulling up all this tile to restore that beautiful terrazzo floor. All right, I'll let you know. I'll keep you guys updated and let you know what happens. I may not find out anything today. If I do, I will come back. If I don't, I'll still come back today, let you know if I heard anything, and I'll close out this video. This will be a multiple part video. That way it's not one big, long, drawn out process. But yeah, I just used a chisel and a hammer to break the grout, and the tiles popped right up. Most of them completely intact, as you can see. I only have a couple of them that broke, but most of them came out completely intact. So, all right, I will update you later. All right, so I just got out of the shower. I spent a good part of the afternoon pulling up and cleaning up the tiles in that section right there. There's still a little bit of thin set stuck to the terrazzo floors, but I'm just gonna let it be for now. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video for now. I have not heard back from the company, the flooring company, so I don't think I'll hear from them until Monday. Today's Saturday. So right now, as it stands right now, our plan is to thoroughly clean the terrazzo floor, scrub it down, clean it up, dry it out, and lay new tile and patch it up. But in the future, I definitely want to polish the terrazzo, so I want to rip up all the tile and polish it. I just can't afford to do that right now because it's like between $2 and $5 a square foot, and it would be all of the hallway, all of the living room, and all of the dining room, and possibly the kitchen. I don't know if there's terrazzo under there, but if there is, that would also need to be done. So I'm gonna leave tile in the bedrooms because it's low traffic area, so it doesn't bother me. And I don't mind the tile. I like the tile. I just have always loved terrazzo. So for now, it's all gonna be back to tile as long as I'm not told that we cannot patch it and we have to rip it up. Then it's gonna be back to tile. Soon I will make a video of us doing the repair job, or if they tell us we have to rip it all out, then I'm gonna figure out how to get the terrazzo polished, because I'm not gonna put new tile down to then take it off later and do the terrazzo then. It's just gonna be more money. So, but the tile for this, we already have a ton of it in the garage, the same exact tile. We already have the grout. We just need to get the thin set. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!